to Tech. In this video, I'm going to do a teardown of this digital voice recorder. I want to see how it works, and I want to see if there's any parts worth salvaging. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is do what I always do. See a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw, and remove all of the screws I can find. And there, all of the screws are now removed, and the hidden ones as well. And now it's time to open up the housing. And there, it opens up just like this. As you can see, it has some interesting components. Brush away the housing. As you can see, there's a 32 ohm speaker. Usually when it's this type of speaker, they use very little power, so I would have to assume it's a 1 watt speaker, and I damaged it. Although it's not that damaged, it's mostly just removing the wires from the solder point. I probably should have done that first, but that's okay. I can still resolder new wires. A closer look at this circuit, and you can see there's a little crystal oscillator. Very nice. And this right here is a USB connector. I really like those USB connectors. Could definitely use that for something. And these little audio jacks, I can definitely use these for something. And this little microphone is very interesting. And this right here is a surface mount slide switch. Definitely can do something with that. Remove the tape right here and it reveals these little button pads, which makes very simple push button switches. And this right here is a very simple LCD that can easily be removed, but carefully do it without damaging the ribbon cable. As for now, I'll just simply push it in. This looks interesting. When you press down on the display, it causes the liquid crystal to displace and it reveals some different types of patterns behind, which I find to be interesting. Just shake it around a little bit and wait for the crystals to realign and reset, so that way those little prints can disappear. And if you take a look at the long rectangular microcontroller that's on the board, that is what stores the memory. And the smaller square one is the processor. And there you have it. Now you know what's inside of a digital voice recorder, how it works, and what kind of parts that are worth salvaging. Thank you for watching Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.